Hello friends, today we are going to say atomic structures short notes. Properties of fundamental particles. Electron. Electron charge is 1.6021 into 10 raised to minus 19. Relative charge is minus 1. Electron's mass is 9.109382 into 10 raised to minus 31. Approximately mass 0. Proton. Proton charge is 1.6021 into 10 raised to minus 19. Relative charge is plus 1. Mass of proton is 1.6726 into 10 raised to minus 27. Approximately mass 1. Neutron is a neutral particle, so its charge is 0. Neutron mass is 1.6749 into 10 raised to minus 27. Approximately mass is 1. Electron mass ratio is 1.758820 into 10 raised to 11 coulomb per kg. Charge on electron, as we see here, it is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Mass of electron 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Terms associated with elements. Isotopes. Atom having same number of proton but different mass number. Isobars. Element having same mass number. Isotones. Having same number of neutrons. Isoelectronic species or isoelectronic element having same number of electron. Isodipole. Element having same number of in modulus n minus z or in modulus a minus 2z. Here A is equal to atomic mass and Z is equal to atomic number. Characteristics, properties of wave. Wavelength lambda. Distance between two similar points in wave. Frequency. Number of waves that pass through a given point in 1 second. This is very important formula for frequency. Frequency is equal to c upon lambda. Velocity is denoted by c. Velocity is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Wave number. It is a reciprocal of wavelength. Its formula is wave number is equal to 1 upon lambda. Some conversions which are useful in conversion of angstrom and in meter. Some basic conversions. 1 cm is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. 1 micrometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Planck's quantum theory. Planck's constant is denoted by h. H is equal to 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule. Energy is equal to hc upon lambda, or energy is equal to hc into wave number. As we see, 1 upon lambda is equal to wave number. Similarly, here 1 upon lambda is equal to wave number. Therefore, this formula becomes hc into wave number, or equal to h upon v. If we have wavelength in angstrom, then we can use this formula. Then we get energy in electron volt. Formula is E is equal to 12,375 upon lambda. Energy of 1 mole of photon is equal to n into hv. Here n is Avogadro number, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Photoelectric effect. Here W is equal to work function or threshold energy. W is equal to h into V0. V0 is threshold frequency. Here energy is equal to threshold energy plus kinetic energy. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to h into V minus V0, or kinetic energy is equal to hc upon hc into in bracket 1 minus lambda minus 1 minus lambda naught. Values of work function for some metals. Lithium 2.42, sodium 2.3, potassium 2.25, magnesium 3.7, copper 4.8, Ag is equal to 4.3. If V is smaller than V0, no electron is ejected. Then this graph can be represent this. If V is equal to V0, then K is equal to 0. Then the straight line graph can represent this statement. Hydrogen emission spectrum. There are 5 series. There are 4 series: Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Barkett series. Name of series: Lyman series. Here N1 is equal to 1, N2 is equal to 2, 3, 4 ... This spectrum belongs to ultraviolet. Balmer series. There N1 is equal to 2 and N2 is equal to 3, 4, 5 ... Spectral region is visible. Paschen series. N1 is equal to 3, N2 is equal to 4, 5, 6 ... Spectral region near infrared. Barkett series. N1 is equal to 4 and N2 is equal to 5, 6, 7 ... and spectral region is infrared. Formula for wave number, which is wave number is equal to 1 upon lambda is equal to R into in bracket 1 upon n minus n1 square minus n2 square 1 upon n2 square. For hydrogen like species, 1 upon lambda is equal to R into z square into in bracket 1 minus 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Here R is equal to Rydberg's constant, which value is 1,09,677 centimeter. Number of spectral lines is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. This is formula to find number of spectral lines. Bohr's atomic theory. Here Bohr's atomic theory, MVR is equal to n into h upon 2 pi. Radius is equal to 0.53 in bracket into n square upon z angstrom. Velocity is equal to 2.8 into 10 raised to 6 into in bracket z upon n meter per second. Energy. Total energy is equal to minus 13.6 into z square upon n square. Total energy is equal to negative of kinetic energy, and potential energy is equal to minus 2 kinetic energy. De Broglie's hypothesis. Here lambda is equal to h upon mc. We have formula that momentum is equal to m into v. Therefore h upon p is also similar form of this formula. These are all similar forms for this formula. H upon in root 2m into ke is equal to h upon in root 2m into qv. If we have potential given that potential difference, then lambda is equal to in root 150 upon potential difference. Then we get lambda in angstrom. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Here delta x into delta p is greater than or equal to h upon 4 pi. Delta x into delta v is greater than or equal to h upon 4 pi into mass. Here delta x is equal to uncertainty of position, delta p is equal to uncertainty of momentum, and delta v is equal to uncertainty of velocity. Schrödinger wave equation. This equation is a form of this is the Schrodinger wave equation. Here rho is amplitude which don't have physical significance. Rho square is probability of finding electron which have physical significance. Rho is finite and continuous. Node. The probability of finding electron is 0. That is rho square equal to 0. Number of node formula is n minus 1. That is principal quantum number minus 1. Nodal plane. The plane where probability of finding electron is 0. Orbitals. Definite region around nucleus where probability of finding electron is maximum. That is 90 to 95%. Shape of orbitals. S orbital, which is spherical in shape, non-axial, non-directional, symmetrical, uniform density and no nodal plane. Here you can see the diagram of S orbital. P orbital. P orbital is a dumbbell shape, axial and directional. Three orientations, that is px, py, pz are possible. Symmetrical, non-uniform electron density and one nodal plane as a nucleus. You can see the diagram of nodal plane. D orbitals. Double dumbbell shape. Here 5 orientations of d orbital can be possible. D orbital is axial for dx square dash y square and dz square and non-axial for dxy, dyz and dzx. This is symmetrical orbital, non-uniform electron density. There are one nodal plane in dxy, dyz, dzx and dx square minus y square, but in dz square there are two conical node planes. We can see diagram of conical nodes in this figure. Quantum number, principal quantum number, which is denoted by n, which have number 1, 2, 3 ... Maximum electron in the principal quantum number can be found by this formula 2n square. Azimuthal quantum number, which is denoted by L. For s orbital, azimuthal quantum number is 0 and then 1, 2, 3 is as so on. Angular momentum can be found by this formula. Formula is in root L into L plus 1 into h upon 2 pi. Magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number is denoted by m. This is in between minus L to L. For s it is 0. For p minus 1, 0, 1. For d minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1 and so this like this. Magnetic momentum can be found using magnetic quantum number. For this formula is used in root n into n plus 1 in Bohr magneton. This is a unit of magnetic momentum. Here n is equal to number of unpaired electrons. Spin quantum number is equal to minus 1/2 and plus 1/2. Total spin is equal to 1/2 into n. N is unpaired electrons. Spin angular momentum is equal to root 3h upon 4 pi is equal to root 3 by 2 into h bar or equal to in root s into s plus 1 upon into h upon 2 pi. Here s is equal to spin. Above principle, electron field in increasing order of energy or n plus L. Here n is principal quantum number and L is azimuthal quantum number. Degenerate orbitals. The orbitals having same energy, degeneracy is equal to number of orbitals having same energy. N plus L is same, then electron will fill in lower number of principal quantum number. This is the sequence of filling of electron. Pauli's exclusion principle. Two electrons can't have same set of all four quantum numbers. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Pairing doesn't take place unless all orbitals are singly occupied. Paramagnetic species containing unpaired electron colored and attracted by magnetic field. Diamagnetic species zero unpaired electron which repel in magnetic field. Exchange of electron. This is the formula for finding exchange of electron. N into n minus 1 upon 2. N is number of electron having same spin.
If you like this video and this is helpful for you, then please like and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.